Today we are diving into a topic that is very close to my heart, cinematic sound effects. Using these 5 sounds we're going to have a look at today will elevate your videos and make them truly epic. Alright, first things first, why do sound effects even matter? Now think about your favorite movie scenes. It's not just the visuals, it's the sound that grabs your attention, make your heart race and suck you right into the story. That's the power of cinematic sound effects. So let's have a listen to these 5 key sound effects and how you can use them to take your videos from good to Hollywood. I'm using sounds today that I have found on Artlist, which is my go-to place for both sound effects, music, but also stock footage. I'm going to put links below if you want to check it out. The whoosh. It's like the sound of action. Use it when things move fast, like a whip pan.
Go to the Winchester, have a nice cold pint, and wait for all this to blow over. How's that for a slice of fried gold?
Or in more natural environments where you just want to emphasize the speed of a movement. Next one. Impact is a loud and often sudden sound that grabs the listener's attention. Use impact to heighten a scene's intensity or to emphasize the end of a movement. And if you combine it with a whoosh, you get something like this. Pretty cool. BRAAAM is probably my favorite sound effect ever. Not only because it sounds cool, it's just fun to say BRAAAM. It's a low-frequency sound effect that is often used to create tension and is used in many science fiction movies, but you can also use it in a more normal setting. Or a pivotal story twist towards the end of a movie. Another one of my favorites. The riser sound effects build up slowly over time, creating a sense of anticipation. By using this sound, you will make sure to grab the viewer's attention as they know something is about to happen. No, not that kind of drone sound, but a cinematic drone. A cinematic drone in sound design refers to a continuous low-frequency sound or tone that is often used to create a particular atmospheric mood, suspense, or unease. Sometimes the drone sound can almost sound like music, but is usually one eerie, continuous sound. Use a cinematic drone in scenes that you don't really need music, but just by adding this drone sound will completely enhance the mood in the scene and pull the viewer more into this specific scene. Now, before we listen to a combination of all of these 5 sounds put together, do me a favor and smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're not already, and the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any exciting videos. Now, let's have a listen. And there you have it. These 5 sounds, these magic 5 cinematic sound effects will completely change your videos, regardless if you're shooting a vlog, a short film, or just having fun with your camera. So sound, remember, is your secret weapon. If you want to see more videos on sound design, I have created this playlist right here for you to check out.